Hey friends, today we're going to be talking about area. An area is the measure of the amount of space that covers a figure. It's measured in square units. Look at the square on the right. Each side length is 1 unit. A square with side lengths of 1 unit is called a unit square. And you can use the unit square to measure area. Remember that area is different from perimeter. Area is the measure of what covers a figure. So we talk about area is the space inside the shape, right? And perimeter is the distance around a figure. Perimeter is when we add up all the sides, okay? Let's take a look at this area of the square unit. We can use the meaning of this area of the unit square. And so we can do 1 times 1, which is 1. So this area of the square unit is 1 square foot. Now, another strategy we can do when there's many square units, we can count the unit squares. For example, find the area. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 square units. So that would be the area. We would find the area of this rectangle. We would count up all of the square inches. So we can count by 3s. Or we can do 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to also do that. So we can count by 3s, 3, or do 3 times 7, 3 and 7. And we make sure we count this one both times. So we count it when we're going down and also across. So count with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Very good. So this area of the rectangle would be 21. We would say square inches. Now remember, a rectangle is a figure with 4 sides and 4 square corners. The sides are referred to as the length and width. So we have the length and we have the width. Now we remember that the length of this rectangle is 4 units and the width is 2 units. One way you can find the area of the rectangle is by counting the unit squares, just like we've done before. You can count them all up. And there are 8 unit squares, so the area is 8. Another way to find the area is to multiply the length by its width. So we have the length, which is 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the width, which is 2, 1, 2. And we can multiply 4 times 2, which gives us the area of 8 square units, and we would label that as well. 4. All right, let's practice this example. Find the area of the rectangle. You're going to multiply, use the strategy of multiplication, multiply the sides to find the area. So we're going to make sure we multiply the length times the width. So if we have 5 times 3, what can that be? And remember, if you're having trouble with the area, you can sometimes they have squares that you can count up to help you. So think 5 times 3. I'll give you a minute to try to think of that. Let's count by 3s and double check your answer. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So this area of this rectangle would be 15 square units. All right, friends, go ahead and practice on Schoology, the homework that we have for tonight. You can practice using the strategy of counting up each of those blocks or those square units, or you can also practice using the strategy where we multiply the length times the width. All right, friends, see you tomorrow.